Hello friends, this is Mukesh Gupta. Welcomes you all to this chemistry channel. In the previous classes, we discussed the various methods of preparation of haloalkanes. We discussed the methods involving alcohols, alkanes, alkenes, salts of carboxylic acids, and alkyl halides in halide exchange methods. Today, we will discuss the physical properties of haloalkanes particularly. Under physical properties, we will deal with the physical state where color and order of these compounds are also be discussed. Next, boiling point. We will compare the boiling point of alkyl halides with other organic compounds. Next, solubility, and finally the density. One by one, we will discuss these properties. First, physical state. The alkyl halides which are gases at room condition are methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, ethyl fluoride, ethyl fluoride, and N-propyl fluoride. These compounds exist in gaseous state at room condition. The other members, they are either liquids or solids. The physical state of these compounds that depends upon the strength of interparticle force of attraction, which in turn depends on the molecular size as well as the polarity of the molecules. Alkyl halides are colorless when they are pure, but bromides and particularly iodides develop color when exposed to light. The volatile alkyl halides usually have a sweet smell. Next, boiling point. Alkyl halides have higher boiling points than their parent alkanes, which is due to greater polarity and higher molecular mass. If we compare the polarity or the molecular mass of alkyl halide molecules with their parent alkene molecules, then due to presence of polar bonds, these have more polarity, okay, and that's why the interparticle force of attraction, that is dipole attraction, that is quite stronger, whereas in alkane molecules the molecules are associated with weak van der Waals force of attraction. The strong interparticle force of attraction is responsible for their higher boiling points, okay. The boiling points of alkyl halides with identical alkyl group but different halogen increases with the increase in atomic mass of the halogen. Higher the mass and size of the halogen, higher would be the molecular size as well as the mass. And this increases the strength of interparticle force of attraction. Now we will compare the boiling point of various alkyl halides with same alkyl group but different halogen. Alkyl fluoride that contains fluorine which is smallest in size, but alkyl iodide that contains iodine which has larger size. This increases the strength of interparticle force of attraction in alkyl iodide to maximum extent, okay, and that's why the order of boiling point that would be like boiling point of alkyl fluoride, that is lesser than chloride, which in turn less than alkyl bromide, whereas alkyl iodide has highest boiling point. The same variation that would be found in ethyl fluoride, ethyl chloride, bromide and iodide. When the halogen remains the same but the size of alkyl group increases, the boiling point gradually increases. In the previous case, the alkyl group was found to be the same, whereas there was a change in the halogen atom. But here, the halogen atom will remain same. There is a difference in the size of alkyl group. With the increase in the size of the alkyl group, the molecular size of alkyl halide will be increased, and accordingly, the boiling point will be increased. For example, methyl bromide, ethyl bromide, N-propyl bromide and butyl bromide, all these molecules, they have the same halogen, but there is a difference in the size of the alkyl group, and due to increase in the size of the alkyl group, the strength of interparticle force of attraction increases. That's why N-butyl bromide has the highest boiling point, whereas methyl bromide has the lowest boiling point. Okay. Now look at this graph. This explains what we have discussed so far. Here the red bars, they represent alkyl chlorides, blue they represent bromides, whereas yellow bars, they represent alkyl iodides. This shows alkyl iodides have highest boiling point, and boiling point decreases with the decrease in size of the molecules. Also, this indicates methyl chloride, methyl bromide and ethyl chloride are gases at room condition. Next, we will find the variation in boiling point among isomeric alkyl halides. Among isomeric alkyl halides, the boiling point decreases with the increase in branching in the alkyl group. This is due to the reason that with increase in branching, the molecule attains spherical shape with less surface area. As a result, interparticle forces become weaker, resulting in lower boiling point. For example, if we will compare the boiling point of various isomers of butyl chloride, N-butyl chloride has highest boiling point, whereas tertiary butyl chloride with maximum extent of branching has lowest boiling point. Here the stick and ball model of these various molecules have been presented, and from this model it is clear N-butyl chloride, it has got largest surface area, which results in strongest interparticle force of attraction. The data are given 78 degrees Celsius, that is the boiling point of N-butyl chloride, whereas 51 degrees Celsius, this is the boiling point of tertiary butyl chloride. The next physical property is solubility. Alkyl halide molecules are almost insoluble in water. Though these molecules are polar in nature, these are almost insoluble because they are not able to form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. Okay? This means the energy required to overcome the forces of attraction between the haloalkene molecules and that required to break the hydrogen bonds between the water molecules is more than the energy released when new attractions are set up between the haloalkene and water molecules. Now, however, they are soluble in organic solvents such as alcohols, ether and benzene. Note here, alkyl halides are almost insoluble in water due to their inability to form hydrogen bonds with water molecules, right? Next, density. Alkyl fluorides and alkyl chlorides, they are lighter than water, whereas alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides, they are denser than water. Remember, alkyl fluoride and chlorides, they are less dense than water, whereas bromides, iodides, they are denser than water. The density of alkyl halide increases with the increase in number of carbon atom, number of halogen atom and increase in atomic mass of the halogen atom, because the density refers to mass per unit volume. With the increase in number of carbon or halogen atom, or with the increase in the mass of halogen atom, the mass of alkyl halide molecule increases. Let's find the variation in density among certain molecules. For example, N-propyl iodide, N-propyl bromide and N-propyl chloride. If we compare the relative densities of N-propyl iodide, N-propyl bromide and N-propyl chloride, N-propyl iodide has highest density. This is simply due to highest atomic mass of the halogen atom present here, that is iodine. Similarly, among carbon tetrachloride, chloroform, methylene chloride, water and methyl chloride, carbon tetrachloride, which contains highest number of halogen atom that will have highest density. As I have told you, alkyl chloride, they are less denser than water. That's why the order is like this. Finally, another example is there. The variation could be understood by applying the same concept. Okay.